Our next award is for the Outstanding Young Asian Pillar of Innovation in Food Entrepreneurship. And the recipient of this award, she is the CEO of Knock Knock PH, Miss Linz Vivienne Espiritu.
First of all, thank you so much, Miss Lani, Miss Nins. Ayan. So, thank you, Asian Pillars, for this wonderful event. So, I would like to share my humble story lang po, no? So, 5 years ago, nag-start lang ako ng fried chicken business sa garahe namin. So, 17 years old ako at that time. Maliit na puhunan lang yung ginamit ko. Birthday gift pa sa akin ng mama ko yun. Nag-talent artist din ako, nakaranas ako ng mga tapings. So, by that time, sobrang saya ko noon. Dahil alam ko, unti-unti kong natutupad yung mga pangarap ko. Kahit wala akong connections, self-made lang talaga lahat pagsisikap ko. Now, I also feel the same as I received this award. Dito ako ngayon, standing in front of you all, showing you all na wala sa age yung pagiging successful. Taking action is. Ako kasi sa totoo lang, hindi ako galing sa mayamang pamilya. Talagang, di ba, typical Filipino, di ba? Every vacation, nasa beach resorts kami, hindi namin nagagawa yon because wala talagang pera. So, alam ko yung feeling na hindi ka makausad kasi wala kayong kakayahan. And now, I'm here receiving this award and showing you all na kaya ko pala in a very young age. For this young generation, we must take action. Don't be afraid to take risk. Don't be afraid to fail. Kasi magiging failure lang yan hanggat hindi mo sinisimulan. Tonight, you call me as an innovator, and this innovation started with a small idea and then executed with an action. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Miss Linz Vivienne Espiritu. Truly inspiring. Started 17, fried chicken business. Now, Knock Knock PH. Thank you so much for that story. Now, our